Hey everyone, this is Hanna with another Oneflow Hack, and today I'm going to be giving you 2 tips on how to track down a contract that you just can't seem to find. Oneflow has tons of organizational tools meant to help you never even have to be in this position with tags, folders, and filters in your archive. But if you still can't find your contract, or you might have saved it in the wrong place and you're trying to find it, here are 2 tips. The first is to use global search. So this means that you are looking at all of the contracts that you have access to instead of just the contracts in one specific workspace. So what this means is that if I'm looking at the document section here to the left, this is going to show me all the contracts in this specific workspace that you're currently in. You can also see which workspace the archive is applying to up here to the left. But if I go down here to search, then this is now going to show me all of the contracts that I have access to regardless of which workspace. Here you can still apply the same kinds of filters that you can in the individual archive, or you can also search and select specific workspaces that you're looking for. The second tip is a more general search tip that you may already be familiar with in other search functionalities like Google, but this is to use apostrophes in your search. When you use apostrophes, it is searching for that phrase as a whole instead of each of those individual words in different documents. Once you've searched with apostrophes, you can still sort by creation date or by who created the contract and apply other filters as well. Those are my 2 tips. Of course, if you are still struggling to find something or need additional help, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team or your Oneflow representative. And I hope that you enjoyed this video and subscribe to see more tips and tricks. Thanks so much.